Samsung's bringing back the S Pen for future Galaxy Z Fold models with a sleek slot, thinner tech, bolder features. Ready for a comeback? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking Samsung's S Pen revival for Galaxy Z Fold. South Korea's ET News dropped a bombshell on July 15, 2025. Samsung's working on bringing the S Pen back to future Galaxy Z Fold models, possibly with a dedicated slot. Confirmed by Samsung's head of smartphone product planning, Kang Min Seok, new stylus tech is in the works. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, unveiled at Unpacked 2025 on July 9th, was the first book-style foldable in years without S Pen support. Samsung said only 1% of users used it, so they cut features like air actions and remote shutter. But now they're rethinking it with thinner, innovative tech. Samsung's R&D is focused on a sleeker S Pen with a level of perfection for future Z Folds, possibly the Z Fold 8 in 2026. A dedicated slot can make it as seamless as the Galaxy S25 Ultra stylus, balancing productivity and portability. With 10 million foldable users, bringing back the S Pen could make Z Fold a productivity beast. X-fans are buzzing, calling it a creator's dream. Samsung's not just chasing thin designs, but aiming for a balanced, feature-packed device. Samsung's eyeing a 2026 return for the S Pen, likely with the Z Fold 8. As consumer demand grows, expect a smarter, slimmer stylus. Stay tuned for more leaks as Samsung refines this tech. Are you excited for the S Pen's Z Fold comeback? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.